Sir, Madam. I am Jenaline R. Camijana. I am 39 years old. I am married with 3 children, and they are 3 boys. I am honest, loyal to my work, hardworking, patient, and most of all, I am God-fearing. My husband is just a laborer. That's why I plan to work in Hong Kong, because I really want to help my husband, to support our family, and to help my husband to let our children send in a good school and to have them a good education. I have been working as a house helper here in the Philippines for more than 4 years, and I have been working also here in the Philippines as a in Hong Kong for 3 months as a house helper. Because that time my mother is the one who is taking care of my children, and that time she got sick. So there's nobody taking care of my children anymore. And I talked to my employer about it. And because we are 2 helpers that time, they let me to go home, because as they have said, they are also concerned to my children. And if you have give me a chance to work with you, it's a great pleasure for me, Ma'am and Sir, to work with you and to have you as my employer.
How old are your children now?
They are 14 years old, 12 years old, and 10 years old.
Oh, now, so they're grown up enough to take care of themselves in case.
Yes, ma'am.
But if you can go back to Hong Kong or abroad, who will take care of them?
My mother, and also my husband and my cousin, because they are their own great.
Who will be helping your mother?
Yes.
Okay, so they're not a hindrance to your work.
Yes.
So can you promise this time to your employer to finish your contract, whatever happens?
Yes, ma'am. I promise.
Okay. Yes.
I promise to finish my contract, and of course, I promise to do my work, my duties, and my responsibilities as your house helper.
Okay. But how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong this time?
Only 3 months, ma'am.
And given a chance to work for more than 2 years?
As long as they want me to work with them, then I'm very much willing to work with them.
So you have to prove it, huh?
Yes.
So that they will give you extension if ever. Okay. So presently, are you working or not?
No, ma'am.
A plain housewife, hands-on
Yes.
mother, hands-on housekeeper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what more your employer can expect from you if ever they will hire you?
I hope that they will also understand us as their house helper, and they will give us also sorry, as their house helper. I hope that they will.
Of course, as long as you obey whatever your employer instructions, follow whatever rules and regulations sets for you. I know you are obedient,
Yes.
no? And I know you're going to sacrifice to be away from your family, so work harder this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am, and ma'am, sir, may God bless your family. Thank you.